TikTok, the popular social media platform known for its short-form video content, has exploded in popularity in recent years, boosting millions of users worldwide. While many users enjoy TikTok for its entertainment value, others have found creative ways to monetize their presence on the platform and turn their passion for creating content into a lucrative income stream. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into 5 ways to make money on TikTok, offering insights, tips, and strategies for success. 1. Brand partnerships and influencer marketing. One of the most common ways to make money on TikTok is through brand partnerships and influencer marketing. As TikTok influencers gain followers and build a loyal audience, they become valuable assets for brands looking to reach their target demographic. Influencers can collaborate with brands to create sponsored content, promote products or services, and raise brand awareness among their followers. To attract brand partnerships, TikTok creators should focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with their audience and showcases their unique personality and style. They should also actively engage with their followers, respond to comments, and foster a sense of community around their content. Additionally, creators can reach out to brands directly or join influencer marketing platforms that connect brands with influencers in their niche. When negotiating brand partnerships, creators should consider factors such as compensation, creative freedom, and brand alignment. By building strong relationships with brands and delivering results-driven campaigns, TikTok influencers can monetize their presence on the platform and generate a steady income stream through sponsored content. 2. Live streaming and virtual gifts. Live streaming is another popular way to make money on TikTok, allowing creators to connect with their audience in real time and receive virtual gifts from their fans. TikTok's live feature enables creators to broadcast live video content to their followers, engage with viewers through comments and reactions, and monetize their streams through virtual gifts, which can be purchased by viewers and redeemed for cash. To maximize earnings from live streaming, creators should focus on providing entertaining and engaging content that keeps viewers hooked and encourages them to send virtual gifts. Creators can also offer exclusive perks and incentives for viewers who purchase virtual gifts, such as shoutouts, behind-the-scenes access, or personalized messages. Additionally, creators can leverage TikTok's virtual currency, known as coins, to further monetize their live streams. Viewers can purchase coins within the app and use them to send virtual gifts to their favorite creators during live streams. Creators can then convert coins into diamonds, which can be redeemed for cash via PayPal or other payment methods. 3. Selling merchandise and products. Another lucrative opportunity for TikTok creators is selling merchandise and products to their audience. Whether it's branded merchandise, digital products, or physical goods, creators can leverage their platform to promote and sell products directly to their followers, turning their passion into profit. Creators can partner with print-on-demand companies or dropshipping suppliers to create and sell custom merchandise such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases featuring their own designs or slogans. They can also create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content packages for their fans. To effectively sell merchandise and products on TikTok, creators should incorporate subtle calls to action into their content, directing viewers to their online store or product listings. They can also showcase their products in creative ways, such as unboxing videos, product reviews, or tutorials to generate interest and drive sales. Additionally, creators can use TikTok's built-in features such as the Shop Now button or link in bio to direct traffic to their online store or product pages. By building a strong brand and fostering a loyal fanbase, TikTok creators can create additional revenue streams through the sale of merchandise and products. 4. Joining TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok offers a creator fund program that allows eligible creators to earn money based on the performance of their content. The Creator Fund provides financial support to creators who meet certain criteria, such as having a minimum number of followers and consistently posting original content that complies with TikTok's community guidelines. Creators enrolled in the Creator Fund can earn money based on the number of views their videos receive, with TikTok paying creators a set amount per 1,000 views. While the exact payout rates may vary depending on factors such as engagement rates and advertiser demand, joining the Creator Fund can provide creators with a steady stream of income based on the popularity of their content. To qualify for the Creator Fund, creators must meet TikTok's eligibility criteria and apply for the program through the TikTok app. Once accepted into the Creator Fund, creators can start earning money from their videos and track their earnings through the Creator Fund dashboard. While joining the Creator Fund can provide creators with an additional source of income, it's important to note that earnings may vary based on factors such as audience demographics, content quality, and engagement levels. Creators should continue to focus on creating engaging and original content to maximize their earnings potential through the Creator Fund. 5. Affiliate marketing and referral programs. Affiliate marketing and referral programs offer another avenue for TikTok creators to monetize their presence on the platform by promoting products or services and earning commissions on sales or referrals. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with brands or companies to promote their products or services to their audience, typically through trackable links or promo codes. TikTok creators can join affiliate marketing programs offered by brands or sign up for affiliate networks that connect creators with brands in their niche. They can then create content featuring the promoted products or services and include affiliate links or promo codes in their captions or video descriptions. When a viewer clicks on the affiliate link or uses the promo code to make a purchase, the creator earns a commission on the sale. Creators can track their earnings and monitor the performance of their affiliate links through the affiliate marketing platform or dashboard. In addition to affiliate marketing, creators can also participate in referral programs offered by apps, websites, or online services. Referral programs typically reward creators for referring new users or customers to the platform, with creators earning a commission or bonus for each successful referral. To succeed in affiliate marketing and referral programs, creators should focus on promoting products or services that align with their brand and resonate with their audience. They should also disclose any affiliate relationships or sponsored content to maintain transparency and trust with their followers.